Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah ta'ala wa barakatuh. How I manage my time. 7 tips I'm gonna give it to you right now. You own your own time. Like for example, I'm recording this video right now, but 6 hours before I was doing like research to how to get more clients and other stuff, and I didn't go to work out. But this is not because I didn't have time to go to the gym. It's because I chose what I wanted to do during this morning. So you can choose what you want to do with your time. It's very difficult that you can say like, I don't have time for this, because we have 24 hours a day. You just choose what's your priorities. Let's see how we can increase our productivity. First tip to manage your time: learn how to say no. When you are young and you don't have that many options, that many experience, you used to say yes to everything, to try new things and learn new things. But arrives a point where you have so many leads, you've got so many friends, you've got so many responsibilities where you cannot fit everything in 24 hours. So you just to learn how to say no and prioritize your responsibilities. People might think you are an asshole, but you just have to learn how to say no nicely. Just say the truth. Do not ghost. Do not say no in a rudely manner. The manners are the clue. Respect is always the clue for a good relationship. So if you cannot, just say you've got other things to do in a nice way. Second tip: have a daily highlight. Have one thing you need to do 100%. Like me, for example, right now, today I woke up and I knew I had to do one video for YouTube and call my mom. 2 things, that's my highlight. If I do this, my day is successful. So have one highlight a day that you have to do, because if you don't have it, you just do all sort kind of things. You start them and you usually don't finish them, because you start thinking, oh, I need to do this, I need to do that, and you just don't focus in one thing. Third tip: have a to-do list. When you wake up in the morning, instead of scrolling on the phone, as we said in the previous video, you can check it out in some corner. Have your morning ritual, and within this morning ritual, set up your highlight of the day and the to-do list. Your little things. Go do the shopping, check out what you need to shop, what friends you need to call, what tasks of work you need to do. Just write them down. Write down the things is very important, because you think you are smart enough, you are not. Write down the things, because you're gonna forget. And furthermore, people gonna trust you and you're gonna trust yourself. Why is that? Because you get the things done. So next time you're gonna ask for a favor, they're gonna say, okay, this guy earned my respect, because when I asked him to do something, I asked him to meet, he showed up. He didn't say any excuse. And when he couldn't, he said no. So you're responsible and you respect yourself and you respect your time, all the people gonna respect you. So start from there. Fourth tip: time blocking. Time blocking, apparently Elon Musk does it. I've read it somewhere, and apparently he does it. I'm gonna explain you what is it. Basically, it's block and schedule the highlight of the day. Like, make this video. For me, I said, okay, I'm gonna start it at 12. That's it. And at 7, I'm gonna call my mom. So I cannot do anything else besides this. When I check my schedule, I see make the video, so I just stick to do that. And when you do one thing, maybe people are gonna say, oh, but is one thing enough? Maybe during the day you need to do more things. Yes, you need to do more things. Imagine doing one thing done every day during 365 days a year. That's the 1% better than yesterday. 1% better than yesterday. Because maybe you start 100 things, but you don't finish anyone. It's better to stick to one thing and do it early. 1% better every day. 5 tip: Parkinson law. Set up a deadline. But for example, I said, let me do this video. But if I don't set up a deadline, this video, maybe it's gonna take me the whole day. If I say, I'm gonna do it in half an hour, at least I'm gonna finish it in 1 hour. So I put this leverage to challenge myself and do it quickly and get done more things. Besides that, I want to do this course of eating pornography, and I need to make it happen. But if I don't say what day I want to finish it, I'm just gonna think every day, okay, I need to do it, I need to do it, I need to do it. So next week, I blocked the time with the highlight of the day, making 10 videos a day for my course. So for the next week, I'm gonna have it done. 6th tip: protect time. That's the most difficult thing. For example, me as a freelancer, I do all kind of work, but the time for me is a sacred one, which is pray 5 times a day. Every time the prayer is calling, Adhan, I go to pray. That's my sacred time. I don't care what I'm doing. I go to pray. Besides that, I go in the Fajr in the masjid and Isha at the masjid. There's no such thing that friend someone or a client tell me to call at that time. I always schedule it before or after. That's my time for my creator, and that's it. Do the same with you. Have the free morning, free night, but not for scrolling through TikTok yet. Don't do that. I'm watching you. It is a game changer for your happiness and for your own peace. Finally, choose to be satisfied. Life is not all about productivity and get things done. If you do one thing, you're happy with it, it's okay. At the end of the day, don't say, oh, I could have done this, I could have done that, I could have done. Be happy with your life. That was enough for today. Be grateful. Be grateful and do not go to sleep stressed. That's your time. 1 hour before to sleep, have your own time. Do not get stressed. Read your own book. Have your chamomile, your tea, your infusion, and the day is done. Because if you die the next day, you need to be grateful. Be grateful for being living the last day. So, inshallah, let's step up together. Hasta la vista.